Hey Math Wizards, Miss Kanji back again for another comparing fractions video. But today it's going to be all about comparing fractions using number lines to help us figure out which one's bigger or smaller. If you can remember, last video was about comparing fractions using fraction models. Today it's all about comparing fractions using number lines. So let's jump right in. So again, if you're going to be asked to compare fractions, 2/3 and 1/6, you can also use number lines to compare. So what you can do is you can create number lines 0 to 1. Let's try and make them as equal as possible, 0 to 1. And your top one, you'll be plotting 2/3, the bottom one, 1/6. So for thirds, again, eyeballing, and you're going to label everything 0/3, 1/3, 2/3, and 3/3, which is a whole, because you see three equal pieces, 1, 2, 3, and we're going to plot 2/3, which is right here, and I need to plot 1/6. So for 6, since thirds and 6 are friends, I'm actually going to make the thirds again, and then take each piece and cut that in half. So let me just make sure 1/6, 0/6, 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, 4/6, 5/6, and 6/6 is a whole. And I need to plot 1/6, which is right over here. So according to my number lines, 2/3 is definitely bigger than 1/6 because 2/3 is closer to 1. So it's a bigger fraction. So with my alligator mouse, I'm going to say 2/3 is larger than 1/6, and my picture shows that. The 1/6 is pretty close to 0, and 2/3 is closer to the 1, so 2/3 is bigger. Let's do another example. 3/4 and 2/8. We're trying to decide which one's bigger or smaller, and we're going to use a number line. So 0 to 1. It's pretty similar to fraction models. This time we're using number line 0 to 1. The top one I'll be doing 3/4, and on the bottom I'll do 2/8. So for fourths, like I've said before, what I do is I do a half first. So I have two equal pieces, and then I cut each of those pieces in half. So check it out. I have 0/4, 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, and 4/4. And I need to plot 3/4, which is all the way over here. And then I need to do the same with 2/8. So fourths and eighths, again, are friends. So what I do is I'll start with fourths and then take each piece and cut that in half to make my eighths. So 0/8, 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, and 8/8, which is one whole. And 2/8 I can see is right here. So again, looking at my two number lines, which are both from 0 to 1, 3/4 is definitely larger than 2/8 because 3/4 is closer to 1. So the 3/4 is bigger. So I can open that alligator mouth this way and say 3/4 is bigger than 2/8, and you can see that on my number line. So I hope this video was helpful. Watch it as many times as you need, and thanks for watching.